How you doing, guys? Today we have a 2012 Kia Soul and the remote is bad, so we're gonna create another one with Xhorse remote universal, and we're gonna use the Xhorse Mini Tool Pro Max Pro. So I'm gonna take the universal remote and I'm gonna connect the adapter cable on one side to the machine and on the other side to the keyless remote, and we need to create the FCC ID. So I'm gonna go to remote program. I'm gonna go to Kia. By the way, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel so you can see our daily videos. I'm gonna get all of the models, so I'm gonna go to Soul, and in the Soul I'm gonna see all of the FCC IDs available for different years, and I'm looking for the one that ends at 1180X FM FL AMFL. I'm gonna go inside and hit generate remote. If the cable is connected correctly, we need to make sure that there is no battery inside the remote. It's going to write the FCC ID to the remote. When it finishes, it's going to show us complete or continue if we want to write another one. I'm going to disconnect it, put a battery inside, and we're going to install it back in the shell, and it's ready to be programmed. So we have our car outside in the parking lot, and we're going to use Autel KM100 to program. I'm going to connect the dongle in the OBD under the steering column, and I'm going to go to immobilizer. Then I'm going to look for Kia, and I'm going to go to automatic selection, and I'm going to read the VIN number. I already have the ignition on position, so I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to hit OK again, and then it shows me the year, make, and model. I'm going to hit yes. I'm going to hit blade key because it's not a push start. I'm going to go to control unit, and I'm going to go to remote system. Then we're going to go to remote control learning. We're going to hit it again, remote control learning. And it's going to tell us to turn the ignition off and remove the key. So I'm going to take the key out and hit OK. Then it's going to tell me to press on the lock button for more than 1 second, and automatically registered, and it says programming succeeded. And it's complete. Let's test it out, and if we done everything correctly, that should sound like that. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.